Okay, Troy. Ooh, Troy likes it, y'all. Hey, love. Welcome to my channel. It is so good to see you here. Today, I will be reviewing a brand called Ancient Cosmetics. I've seen them all over Instagram, and I'm excited to finally be able to put their body oils to the test.
Damn, another one?
In case you are new around here, hi, I'm Kia, and this is my dog, Troy. And my channel is your best place for natural hair, lit vlogs, and reviews like the one I will be doing today. So if you have not subscribed, definitely go ahead, click the link in the corner and just join the family. And if you are a loyal subscriber, hey boo! Now let's jump into why you guys are all here. Ancient Cosmetic Body Oils. So, Ancient Cosmetics is a Black-owned business based in North Carolina. Their slogan is Ancient Methods for the Modern Skin, which is pretty cool. And I think they are so bold to reach out to me to have me review one of their products because, you know, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You know, I gotta let y'all know what's good. Just like many of you out there, I love glowy, dewy, hydrated looking skin. And I don't know if you knew, but your skin is actually your largest organ. So it's beyond like a self-care thing. It's a necessity. So today I have their Island Mango and their Poppin Papaya. So this is the Island Mango one. And here is their Poppin Papaya. First off, by the names tell you what it's gonna be, okay? Island Mango and Poppin Papaya. So that means we going somewhere. We going to the tropics. We going somewhere where we about to be smelling good like some fruit, okay? Delivery was super fast and you get 6 ounces per bottle. The packaging is super cute and each little bottle kind of sets its own vibe. So like the Island Mango, it just looks like, ooh, we about to go on a trip somewhere. And the Poppin Papaya, like Poppin, like really? Y'all named it Poppin Papaya? Okay. So I absolutely love how each one of these smells. So let's start with the Island Mango. I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. Oh my goodness. So I've been using this, but every time I smell it, I just become obsessed all over again. And it smells like a ripe, juicy mango. Not the mango that has been picked over in the grocery store, but like the mango from the tropics. That is what this smells like. I'm not even lying. All right, let's go ahead and smell the Poppin Papaya. Because, oh my goodness. Like, all right, so I'm a little biased because the mango is my favorite fruit. But I also love papaya, and the papaya one, oh my goodness, like I am too through. How did they make these? This really does smell like the fruit. So despite which one you choose, you will be smelling like a tropical fruit bowl. If some of y'all get in trouble, some of y'all go ahead and get pregnant off of wearing some of these oils, do not blame me. Go to Ancient Cosmetics. The smells are A1, okay? So they get a ding for the smells, like they did that. They did that. So both of them have the same ingredients. It looks like the fragrances are just different. And to be honest, that's kind of where I'm gonna go ahead and dock some points off, because fragrance. Every time I read fragrance, I'm thinking, so what's the fragrance? Like, what is it? Why you can't tell me? Out of respect for companies, I understand everyone has their own secret sauce, but at least for the mango one, mango oil does exist. So it would have been nice to see mango oil on their ingredient list. Even if it was a couple drops, they can still put it on the list. But one thing I do know about this company is that they really pride themselves on fresh, handmade products. So I think we're in good hands right there. Okay, Troy. Ooh, Troy likes it, y'all. Ooh, it smells good. You want some? Troy loves this stuff. So, I mean, if you have a pet at home, be careful because they may start licking you, and it's not that kind of party here. Let's get into how these products actually perform on the skin. So as a background, I have dry, sensitive skin, unfortunately, and I used to have really bad eczema, full disclosure. After re-healing my skin back over the years, my skin is bougie. I mean, like bourgeois. So my skin knows immediately if a product is trash. And I am happy to report to you that I didn't have any itching, any breakouts, any redness on my skin whatsoever. And my skin felt extremely moisturized and soft after using it. After using the oil, I didn't feel greasy or oily whatsoever. I just honestly just felt luxurious. I felt like, yes, luxury, I deserve. Like, we deserve this, my skin. And I really felt like I was tapping into my inner tropical goddess. Like, I just closed my eyes and I was like, I'm on somebody's beach and I'm smelling good and I'm feeling good. And to top it off, my skin was glowing. My skin was just glowy. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all some pictures, or actually I'm just gonna put some on my chest right now. Don't get too excited, y'all. But since the mango is probably my favorite, let me go ahead. I'm gonna just put a little bit, and you don't even need a lot. Like, you just need a couple drops like that, okay? And then we going to you're not gonna help but smell it. So, oh my goodness. We gonna keep this PG rated around here, but just know that it is extremely lightweight, and already my skin is feeling moisturized and I'm glowing. Yes. Overall, I highly recommend these products, especially for the summer. If you're one of my natural hair boos, like, these are really good oils to add to your deep conditioners. I tried it on my hair just to like add that shine. The ingredients are phenomenal. But at the time of this video, these oils are retailing for $19.99, and they have a promotion going on. So the sale price is $16.99. Now, if you think that you're gonna add these oils or any of Ancient Cosmetics products to your daily skincare routine, you can just go ahead and subscribe. They have that option. And when you subscribe, you get 40%. So look into that. Follow them on Instagram. And make sure that you sign up for their newsletter so you can be the first person to know when they are dropping a sale. So, you know, we always want to save coins. So these oils make perfect gifts for everybody. Your baby daddy, your friend, your coworker. Like, these are a really good quality gift to give somebody. Hopefully the kids are off this video, but these oils are perfect for sexy time. You can massage your boo with one of these oils or have your boo massage you. So see, Ancient Cosmetics, they looking out. This is a multi-use product. Please make sure to leave a comment down below. I would love to hear if you've used body oils before, or if you've heard of Ancient Cosmetics. They have a really big following online, so definitely check them out on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to pick up one of their body oils or any of their products. They're all fresh, handmade, and you'll be supporting a Black business. If you found this video valuable, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, just go ahead and join the family here. It's all love. And unfortunately, this concludes my video. I'm so sad, but I have tons of videos now. So just go ahead and jump over to the next video. And until next time, bye.